Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Gather identity, address, income, bank statements, and property papers before applying. Have government ID, PAN card, and recent passport photo ready for upload. Confirm your credit score is at least 650 and monthly income covers EMI obligations. Check outstanding liabilities and calculate your debt-to-income ratio to ensure eligibility. Decide your loan amount, tenure, and down payment percentage before starting the app. Know the approximate property value and seller details to speed verification and valuation processes. Create or sign into your Navi account and complete KYC within the app. Fill personal details, employment data, and the property address accurately to avoid delays. Select home loan, enter loan amount and tenure, then view the interest rate and estimated EMI. Upload scanned PAN, salary slips, bank statements, property documents, and signed forms using the Secure Upload feature. Review the loan summary, consent to soft credit check, and submit the application for processing and valuation scheduling. Respond to valuation, clarifications, and sign the sanctioned offer letter electronically when prompted. The lender will conduct legal title checks and may request additional documents for verification. Once approved, sign loan agreement, complete legal checks, and receive dispersal to seller or builder according to the schedule. Set up EMI through NAC or auto debit using your bank account for timely payments. Monitor your loan account in the app. Check amortization and use prepayment options if you want to reduce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.